Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, My Dear Forensic Lady, chapter 46. So here it is. Let's read the story. I've been seen Lin to flee for a long time. Do you go out to dinner last time? If there's something wrong with him, tell me. I will vanish his leg. Ouch! How do you get this? Which weak thing is things to draw on a people's face? Don't be afraid, Auntie has a few ointments that are best and get rid of the scars. Lin, bring it to you another day. Well, it turns out it was Lin who does this to her, and her mother doesn't know this. Well, what could it be wrong? That's not. Look at her mom, also too enthusiastic. That's her old man's future daughter-in-law. Well, right now, Lin Yan seems to be sad. But why? I'm a little unhappy. Well, did you think about Song Yu-hang? And he will be married to her brother. Well, it seems wrong, right? But right now, yes, why is Xiao Song sent to the hospital that Yan Yan came to? You and her are... Now, her mother's laughing. Well, let's see then. Song Yu-hang defend herself, but... Now, she eyes up. Me and her are... Well, looking at the two of them. Of course, they are all serious and this is a serious matter. Minyan's mom seems to be really fond on Song Yu-hang. That's why Song Yu-hang right now to tell her mom, we are colleagues. And her mom said, that can be. Well, it turns out she was really surprised that Song Yu-hang and Lin Yan is a colleague and he doesn't know. It's really a coincidence. Good colleague. You may kiss and kiss. Right now, hearing this, of course, Lin Yan. She was really coughing hard. And her mom said to her, you can drink slowly us. Well, this is it. This is like a punishment to Lin Yan. After speaking to Lin Yan's mother, do you think our family is weird? Information, count the famous ones just now. Song Yu-hang said B. But it seems that the two of them are not sweet to each other. Song Yu-hang is the eighth one married Uncle Lin over the years. It's not too much of the outside. These people are made of dress, all of which are given to Lin Yan. Can you imagine she came to the house at the age of 3 and she cannot see a candy? Give her a can of toffee and she didn't say thank you. One person holding the jar and hiding it from the backyard I ate at. She had a diarrhea. It turns out that a bright and a beautiful person suffered a lot of hardship when she was young. Officer Song, although Lin Yan didn't say anything, well, it seems her father was right. Don't look how she is bluffing all day now. And the default is friends. Oh, it turns out Lin Yan right now, her family is trying to reach her but she was always aloof from them. Experience when she was young, suffered a lot of things and even though she was really beautiful, there's a lot of fame inside her heart. And now, looking at Lin Yan, finally she was really resting. Turns out, after talking to Lin Yan's mother and father, Song Yu-hang came back to the room. Now, did she want to talk to Lin Yan? It seems that she moved closer to her. Well, right now, she was approaching her. Song Yu-hang said to her, if I'm gone, what do you do? Now Song Yu-hang was busy on her phone. Well, looking at the two of them, not weak enough to take care of someone. Okay then, I'm leaving you. Have a good rest. Now, she really goes out. And Lin Yan, she was get angry again. Well, they are really cute, right? Although the relationship of them is like a cat and mouse, but at least they really care for each other. When she goes out, Lin Yan was coughing hard. Well, suddenly Song Yuhang came back again. You see, if you don't try to be brave, you have nothing. Maybe she was afraid that Song Yuhang would really leave her. But right now, she really came back for her. But looking at the two of them, do not move, Song Yuhang said. Linian, she was really pushy. Want to again? You want to be Stitch again. Right now, Song Yuhang was carefully attending her, carefully fixing her. It makes sense to Linian. Now she was looking at Song Yuhang. Looking at her face, well, what do you think? She doesn't look bad, she said to herself, and no wonder mother wants her. Song Yuhang character is really perfect for their family. But for now, why suddenly she was always thinking about her? Hey, what do you think of my brother? How it is? Didn't I tell you that day? Now she was suddenly confused about the relationship of Song Yuhang and her father. How? Want to check for your father? I'm just his brother, can't I? For Linian, of course, she really wanted to tease her. Seriously, your brother is very good, treats you very well, and respects me very much. I'm not disgusted with further contact with him, but she really changed her heart. Do you think of him now? Do you want to see him now? Linian, she was really curious about the answer of Song Yuhang. In her heart, it's like there's a pain hearing this. But right now, Song Yuhang, she looks really stunned in amazement. Because, well, could it be that the feelings for Linian was really blooming at this moment? That's why she kept herself silent and she didn't answer her. Well, she remembered these years. You are the only one she brings to us. Oh, this means Linian, she don't have any friend except for her. Well, technically, their friendship is like a love and hate. He's thinking of Linian in his mouth. And it's really interesting. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!